Let's do a full face using kids makeup. What in the world? Look how much stuff you get in here. Some ASMR. Let's try the powder. Oh, it's a bit light, but let me try and blend it out. I look like Casper. I didn't even realize that there was a sponge in there. I thought it was a white powder. Maybe some blush will save this. Let me try my fingers instead. I just gotta layer it up. It looks kind of grey. I have an idea. This can go very wrong. I'm sorry, but why does this kind of look good though? Time for eyeshadow. I'm just gonna try and do a smoky eye with the black. It's kind of working. Let's add some glitter. Ooh, I'm gonna try and do a wing eyeliner with that black. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more challenges. I figured out how to contour. What if I mix the black with that brown? It's working. Blend, girl, blend. Now we're going to do lips, and I'm going to go for this red. It's so teeny and tiny. How cute. If I just keep layering it up, the color starts to show better. I'm just adding some pink glitter to the eyes just to match the lips. This kids makeup also came with these cute little gems. Okay. How does that look, guys? Who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result. What do we think? Is this a cute or a fail? Challenge completed. What's next? Hit me with your best shot.